the best cooking vegetable and meat. So now we start to boil the broccoli and fry the meat like this into a pan and wait until cook. And here you go. Okay, he want to eat his favorite dinner tonight like this with rice, and here is like we here in the restaurant, but of course just here at home. But when he see like this, he loves eating like this. And of course, let's start to eat our yummy dinner. Okay, so just we have rice and put vegetable and meat here in the top of the rice, and looks delicious. And here for you, my love. Okay, so I hope you like it. And here your rice also. And okay, start to eat. I hope you like this. Okay, so no need to go in the restaurant, so just cook here and feel like outside. And okay, so eat and let's enjoy our yummy dinner. Okay, and here you go. And of course I prefer some dinner for me, and I love to the same. And okay, let's get started. Eat. Okay, rice is life, food is life. So okay, I like it.
Really like it.
And now I start to eat my dinner. And here, oh, so yummy. I feel like I want to eat more.